Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Netflix Inc. step by step clearly. Start by educating yourself about Netflix Inc. Research the company's financial health and market performance. Analyze Netflix's earnings reports and growth potential. Decide on the amount of money you're willing to invest. Open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a reputable online brokerage platform. Complete the account registration process. Verify your identity as required by the platform. Deposit funds into your brokerage account. Navigate to the search bar on your brokerage platform. Type Netflix or its stock symbol Netflix into the search bar. Review the current stock price and available options. Decide on the number of shares you wish to purchase. Place a market order to buy shares at the current price. Alternatively, consider a limit order if you have a specific price in mind. Confirm the details of your purchase before finalizing the order. Review your portfolio to ensure your investment is recorded. Monitor Netflix's stock performance regularly. Stay updated with news and developments related to the company. Adjust your investment strategy as necessary based on market conditions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.